Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I just give me a second. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
You?
One second. I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also good. Did you study? Did you revise?
Yeah, I revised till everything except what we learned last class.
Yeah, that's because I didn't send, so don't worry. I won't pester you from that session.
Yeah, till digestion and like mechanical digestion's beginning, I've done.
Okay, any doubts?
No, ma'am. When we go through questions, right, that time if I have a doubt, I'll just ask.
Okay, great. I think I sent a PDF long time back in that group. Do you have that?
Yes, ma'am. One second.
Yeah. Just a second. Few more minutes. Okay. I got stuck with this one. Okay, open the
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I opened it.
this one digestion and absorption page.
Okay, digestion. One second.
Yeah, I think that you need to scroll a lot. Where is it?
Which page? Oh,
It
yeah, I need
says,
to go a lot.
yeah, it says around 211 or something.
211. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, even I need to open 1 second. Where is the WhatsApp? Yes, this is WhatsApp.
It's in 211. Yeah, I reached.
Uh, um, okay. So what you can do is you can take the first page. Okay.
Which
Just
cells? Oh, okay.
yes. You. I'll give you like how many questions are there?
Uh, there are only in the first page, right?
Six. Yeah, seven. Eight. There are 13 questions.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, I lost the page. Yeah, I reached.
Yes. So I'll give you 13 minutes. Correct. One minute for one question. That is too much, but
Oh,
start.
can I revise for like 2 minutes and then I'll start?
Right. This is why I told you to revise and come. Okay, fine. I'll give you 2 minutes to revise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do I need to write it down or can you just tell?
Which one?
Like all of these. Do I need to
Yeah.
write it
First
down
take
or?
13 minutes and then take your time. Write down the options alone.
Oh, okay. I need to write it down.
Yeah. Just write down the options like A, B, C. I think that wouldn't
Okay.
take much.
Ma'am, oh yeah, nothing.
Done?
No. I thought you were sharing the screen.
No.
So I like the 13th question, I had to go to the next page.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, is it fine if I eat?
Yeah, no problem.
Because I didn't eat lunch, so now only I can eat dinner.
Very nice. Did you complete?
Yeah, just 2 more questions, I'm thinking.
Mm.
Ma'am, yeah, done. 13th one I couldn't answer.
13 one you couldn't answer. Okay, just give me a moment. Backgrounds. What is the first answer?
1 second. A, option A.
What is the A planet cells? No.
Yeah, Panachan.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to tell me what are the other options and where do you find them.
Oh,
Uh,
argentafin cells are histamine and all that secretion
uh,
that cells.
okay,
Uh,
where is it present?
uh, that I don't know, but it secretes histamine and then 2 other hormones, 2
Okay,
other enzymes. Uh,
okay.
Kupffer cells are present in small intestine.
Sure.
Wait, the
They even
names are so confusing.
specified over it.
Uh, I don't know.
Kupffer cells are present in liver.
Oh, yes, liver.
They perform the function of
So
phagocytosis.
yeah, they digest and this thing other side.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So when I'm saying note it down, okay?
Yeah.
This is what I wanted to tell you. Whenever you are answering any questions, no, practicing questions, just don't answer them. Make sure you're answering all the distractors. I mean the options. Okay. Say for example, now from this you can get 4 different questions. Okay. Say like for example, what is a zymogen cell?
Inactive enzyme.
Yes, inactive enzymes are called as zymogen cells, right?
Zymogen cells.
So they can maybe give you a question. Which of the following are zymogen cells? Pepsin, trypsinogen, renin. Okay, like that they can give you in inactive enzymes and active enzymes and inactive enzyme mixed and ask you which of them are inactive. So you should be able to tell it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The next one is Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells are phagocyte.
Present in the
Phagocyte in
liver.
nature. Yes, it's in the liver. Argentafin cells are present in crypts of Libercun, as well as in the it is only present in the crypts of Libercun.
And they secrete
And
histamine and those
yes, it
other
secretes
two
the
names.
hormones called histamine, also secretin.
Yeah, secretin. Three it secretes.
Yes. So that is one thing. Paneth cells are the answer for this. They are antibacterial lysozyme. Good. Next one.
Lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase.
Correct. Very good.
Because
So
renin is not secreted in the pancreatic juice.
correct. And pepsinogen is also, or pepsin is secreted by
Pepsin
the
is
stomach.
only in stomach.
Yes. Okay, good. That is correct. Then the next one.
The premolars, molars, I got so confused. I wrote C, molars.
It's premolars.
Premolars, yeah. So in the 8th question, I wrote premolars.
Yeah,
So
what
one
is
of it
the
I'll
dental formula?
3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, something. 32
One.
teeth in adults and 20.
I don't want
20
total number of teeth. I want the dental formula. What is it?
2, 1, 2, 6.
2 1 2 அவ்வளவுதான்
2 and 2.
2 6 இல்ல 3
3, no, 3 in adults.
Yeah, and what about in babies?
2, 1, 2, 1. No, 2 and 2. That's all.
2 1 2 3 is in
Adults.
adults. Okay.
Yeah.
And 2 1 0 2 is in babies.
Oh, okay. This is so confusing.
Yeah, like only thing you need to remember is that no premolar and 1 molar is less.
Okay.
So 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 0. Just remember, think of it as someone's phone number.
Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3 for adults. 2, 1, 3, 0. 2, 1, 2, 0 for babies.
2 1 2 2 1 0 2.
0, 2 for babies and 2, 1. Oh, 2, 1, 2, 3 for adults. 2, 1, 0, 2 for babies.
Yes. So all that you need to remember 23 0 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So premolars are absent. Fine. Then, which hormones do stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate?
I'm not very sure, but I think it's secretin and cholecystokinin.
For cholecystokinin, along with that, there's one more enzyme I told you. What was that?
Secretin.
No. நான் எழுத சொல்லும்போது I told you CCK hyphen something I told you. What was it? Pancreozymin.
In where? Okay, I don't think I've written that.
I told you also to write it last time.
Oh. Okay, I can't find that sheet. So what is it?
It's called cholecystokinin pancreozymin.
Okay, cholecystokinin pancreozymin. Okay.
Yes, this is 6th question, no?
Fourth
question. Okay. So basically, if I even told you what does col mean. Colio mean actually.
Yeah.
Col means gallbladder.
Yeah, you told root word.
I did root word. Didn't I tell you?
Yeah, and we didn't learn about angiotensin.
That is because it doesn't come under this chapter. It comes under excretion chapter.
Yeah, we didn't learn, so I left it. And gastrin and insulin and this thing, glucagon is not involved in pancreatic juice.
Okay. That is that way you're clear, right? Insulin is to cut down the sugar level. Glucagon is to increase the sugar level. Yeah. So the only obvious answer was CCK and secretin. Okay, good. Next one. So you got 1, 2, 3 correct. Next.
Sphincter of Oddi.
So of the following guards opening up into the duodenum.
Pyloric is this thing. Pyloric is between duodenum and esophagus. Sphincter of Oddi. We haven't. It's not semilunar valve. It's not ileocecal valve. It
Where
has to
you
be
see
circular.
ileocecal valve?
Um, I think in the large intestine.
Yeah, it's basically the opening of ileum and cecum.
Cecum.
Ileum opens into cecum, right?
Mm.
So that place is guarded by ileocecal valve.
Okay.
Semilunar is in the heart.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by
Gastrics. Sorry, parietal cells.
parietal cells. Very good. Is it so?
One sec. Yeah. Parietal cells secrete HCl, right?
Very good. What is the other name?
Oxyntic cells, I think.
Oxyntic
Yeah.
cells.
Yeah.
Correct only.
No,
Yes.
1 second. Ileum opening into
Cecum.
cecum is by
Guarded by.
ileocecal. One
Yeah.
second. Into cecum by ileocecal. Because I don't think we've done this, or I don't know.
No. I did not talk about
Oh,
ileocecal valve.
okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
enzyme that is present in succus entericus is not present in succus entericus is nucleosidase.
what is succus entericus?
Juice, intestinal juice.
Very good. Yes, I'm very happy you remember it. So where do you found nucleo?
Nucleosidase.
Are you sure?
Yeah, lipase, maltase. Wait,
Think again.
it's nuclease.
Uh-huh.
Wait, lipase is there.
Okay.
Nucleosidase, isn't it used to convert nucleotides to nucleosides?
Yes, correct. That is correct.
So that is
That
also okay. Then it's wrong. That is also there.
yes, that is there in this.
I think
So
maltase is also there. It's nuclease, not
yes, it's
nucleosidase.
nucleus. So basically, RNases and DNases will be present in pancreatic
Yeah,
juice. So that is nucleus. No.
yeah.
Yeah.
I got confused between the two, so I wrote nucleus.
Correct. It's not a very long back paper. 2015 only.
Oh, okay.
These are all were previously asked.
Oh.
Yeah. So we studied almost everything, I think. Yeah. Next one, the primary dentition in human differs from
Premolars. Premolars.
molars. Now that you made a mistake there, you know
Yeah,
the answer.
there I put molars. Here I put premolars.
How in the world can you do that?
No, because I didn't know which one was right, so I didn't want both to be wrong. So one will be right anyways.
Very nice. Inky pinky ponky. Nice, nice. Gastric juice of infants contain
Maltase, pepsinogen, renin.
pepsinogen and
Renin.
Mm, are you sure?
Yeah, it contains renin for sure, and I don't think it contains lipase. It contains maltase.
That is where, like you told me, option number C.
Yeah, C.
Sir, where did we learn about maltase? In question number 7, where did we say maltase is present?
Succus entericus.
That is in?
Oh, gastric juice.
This is gastric juice. No, how can you say maltase? Wrong, that is.
Oh, the answer is there in the other question.
Yeah, but then again, when I taught you, when I taught you about gastric juice and stomach, I did tell you that carbohydrate digestion does not take place in stomach. Didn't I tell you or not?
Oh yeah, only remaining
Only a
starch.
protein and a
Proteins, yeah, only proteins.
little bit of fats. I told you. Remember, little bit, very insignificant amount.
Yeah, we put into only for that.
Yes, yes. So that insignificant amount of fat also must be digested. And there should be some enzyme related to that. What should it be?
Lipase.
Yes. So the answer is A. Pepsinogen, lipase, renin.
Such an easy question. Answer is there in the previous question itself.
Yes, that's all. You should be very careful.
10th one's easy. Option C. Brunner's gland are present in submucosa of stomach and secrete pepsinogen.
As in, what is the? I didn't read the question. It's once again. Which of the following statements not correct? Oxyntic cells are present in the mucosa of the. That is correct. Acini are present in the pancreas secrete carboxypeptidase.
Yeah,
That is
correct.
wrong.
Third one is wrong. Brunner's gland are present in submucous of stomach.
But this is actually speaking, even this B is also wrong. Tell me why.
It's pro-carboxypeptidase, not
Exactly.
carboxypeptidase.
It's actually pro-carboxypeptidase, but it is written here carboxypeptidase.
I didn't realize. I just directly. Oh, it's cancelled question.
Yeah. So Brunner's glands are present in the submucous of stomach. Yeah, of course,
Wait,
they are present
what
in
is it?
the
What does it
small
mean
intestine.
cancelled? Like it came in the exam, but you were awarded free marks.
Yeah. You will be like, see what happens after your exam. No, they'll release answer key. Then there'll be something called as challenging the answer key. So people will they'll give money per question, some $1,000 or something.
Oh yeah, like
Uh,
boards. So re-evaluation.
yeah, not re-evaluation.
Then
You're going to send them that why those answers are wrong, and then you have to justify. If it is correct, they will change and reward you with marks.
so like if I wrote the correct answer and they gave me wrong,
Yes, you will get the marks
like if
for
there
it.
are two correct options and I have written one,
Mm.
but they in their answer key the other one is written, so they've not given marks.
They will give you marks if the like someone points it out and corrects it.
But then in the ninth one, something else also is correct answer, I think, because it's also 2015
No,
cancelled.
no. No other option. Renin is there. See, no.
Or two options. Oh yeah,
The option
pepsinogen
you chose had renin. That
and
is
the
wrong.
correct answer.
Yes, so answer is A. Only one correct answer.
And
This is
11th
how
one
they
is
will confuse you.
11th one is renin.
Yes, okay, that's correct. Then,
Fructose is done by 12th one, right? Facilitated transport.
first
It's correct,
fructose
na?
and what else is facilitated transport?
Um,
I gave you a list last time. I told you to
K.
write.
Oh, no, last class I didn't this thing right. I didn't write the notes yet.
I told you to write this part in particular, tabular column porter.
Oh yeah,
Active.
yeah. I have that. I have
Yeah.
that. Wait. I'll tell
Open
you.
that.
Mode of transport facilitated. Wait, there's only two: fructose and yeah, only two. We did glucose and galactose. That is active. Amino acids active. Fructose is passive facilitated diffusion,
Okay,
and
very good.
glycerol is simple diffusion.
Okay, good. Fine. Nice. Next one, 13th one. Select the correct match of
Oh,
digested
this I
products.
didn't do, but I can try.
Okay. Glycerol fatty acids
Yeah,
means
1 second. I can't. Yeah, I reached the question. Yeah, glycerol fatty acids is I think. Uh,
where is it
Wait,
produced?
glycerol fatty acids. Glycerol is active absorption.
No, both
Inactive.
are passive.
Wait, glycerol fatty acids is simple. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's simple diffusion. So both are passive.
Passive.
So A,
So there's only one option, D. So D is the correct answer. Small intestine passive absorption. So
yes,
A
fructose
will be to the
is.
last one. Fructose is active absorption in the small intestine.
Oh, wait, but they did not give the match the following thing itself. They didn't give you the options.
So I think A will be the last one. So A will be 4.
Yeah,
Uh,
A4.
D will be 3. Small intestine active absorption.
Okay.
And glucose will be cholesterol, or maltose will be large. No. What is chylomicrons?
We discussed last class, chylomicrons.
Uh, Only this cholesterol and glycine. I think glycine is
No. Your fatty acids will be converted to chylomicrons inside the small intestine cell and they will be absorbed.
so glycerol fatty acid is first one.
Yeah.
That means fructose is small intestine active absorption.
Yeah. So
Uh,
basically, fructose was in the previous question. What did you say fructose was?
mm, Facilitated, so it's active.
Facilitated passive.
Uh,
Hey, I even asked you to write it down as
Passive
passive.
facilitated.
Yes.
So
So a little amount of if you see here, your glycerol and fatty acids, they are going to be passively absorbed. So A is 4. Next is cholesterol and maltose. They have to go as chylomicrons. Okay. And
duodenum.
this formation happens in duodenum only. Okay. So B is 1.
So it's
Understood?
4, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. So now next is the glucose. Glucose is what absorption?
Passive.
Sure. Check the table.
No. Glucose is active.
Glucose is active. So C will be 3 itself. So
Yeah,
whatever.
4-1, 3-2.
Yes.
I got first and third one like A and C right, but B and
Yeah.
D.
Never underestimate these maths the following, because this year almost half the questions were maths the following only. Okay. And also when you are marking your answers, no, just don't mark it immediately with in your paper. Mark it in your question paper. I would say last 5 minutes, just mark it on the answer sheet. Because what happens is you might have questions like related questions. Say like now you saw no how one question was related to
Yeah.
another. In paper also it will come. This year it came like that. One chemistry question and one bio question were the same.
But if I write it in the question paper, they won't say anything, right? If I tick the answer.
No, not a problem at all.
But
You
what
can-
if last 5-10 minutes I don't have time to circle the answers?
that is where you need to practice. See, actually they say that you don't have much time and all. Okay. But when it comes to bio, even though there are 90 questions, you will not take 90 minutes. You will
You'll
take
take
less
like
than that
45
much.
minutes.
Yes, you should take only that much. So when you're practicing question, make it a point to time it. Okay. Yes. Now let's start with the next one. Yes, this I want you to tell me the answer for 14th one.
Healthy person eats the following diet:
Mm.
5-gram raw sugar,
Hmm.
albumin 4 grams. How many calories? Oh?
Hmm. I taught you calorific value. Remember?
Yeah, but how do I calculate
Yes. What is the calorific value? Generally, it is calculated for 1 gram.
1 gram of food per
So for
serving?
1 gram, the calorific value means you just need to multiply and add. That's
So
it.
1 gram of sugar, how much calorific value I need to know?
Yes. So basically, here they are talking about something that is happening in his system. So they are talking about physiological calorific value. Carbohydrates is 4, proteins is 4, and lipids is 9.
Okay.
So your albumin is a protein, sugar is a carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Buffalo
Ghee-
ghee is fat,
Yes.
and vegetable ghee is also
Fat.
fat.
Lignin is going to give you 0 calorific value.
What is lignin?
Lignin is basically just a material that is produced in the plants, as a side
Oh,
a product. Okay.
so totally, yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to give you anything.
So wait, totally 7 grams of fat is there. So fat is 3, right?
Fat
Fat.
is 9.
9. So 7 into 9, that's 63. Plus 4 grams of proteins.
Mm.
That is, proteins is 3.
Mm.
63 plus 12, that is 75. And yeah, 75 only. And 5 grams of carbohydrates.
Mm.
Carbohydrate is
4.
4. So 20.
Mm.
So 80 to 92. 92. So closest to 92, I think, is 112.
Dad, என்ன மேத்ஸ் டா நீனு?
Huh? Ma'am, correct only. See, 10 grams of ghee is fat, plus 2 grams of vegetable ghee is also fat.
Yeah, 12
Oh,
into
12.
9
Oh,
is
sorry. 12 nines are, yeah, 108. 108 plus 4 grams of protein. Protein is 3. So 108 plus
14 is
12.
4.
Oh, 4, 16. Oh, that's why, ma'am, I did 3, 2. like that,
It's
I think.
144 kilocalories.
Kilocalories, correct.
Yes.
Like, I don't know the
Understood how
values.
you will get questions on calorific value.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Which enzymes are likely to act on baked potatoes eaten by a man starting from mouth? So potato contains carbohydrates. So salivary maltase. No, what? Salivary amylase,
Very good.
pancreatic amylase, disaccharides.
Correct. That's the correct answer. Good.
Yeah,
Yes.
salivary maltase one. Potato contains starch also, no? Or it doesn't?
Maltase is maltose. Maltose
Yeah.
is
No, there's an option called salivary maltase.
That is just
That is
the
wrong to
option given.
confuse. Yeah.
That's just to confuse you, nothing else.
Salivary amylase.
Yeah, yeah. So next one.
Anxiety and eating spicy food together. Not jaundice, not vomiting, diarrhea. No.
Overeating.
Uh, Anxiety and eating spicy food together in a normal human being.
When
I
you
think it's
overeat, what will happen?
vomit.
No.
No. Diarrhea.
See,
No,
okay. See,
indigestion.
when you
Sorry.
overeat,
Diarrhea.
no. When you overeat, you tend to vomit. Okay.
Yeah.
Diarrhea doesn't happen because you overeat.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry. It's indigestion. It's
Yes,
indigestion.
exactly. And
Right.
here, you can get confused between vomiting and indigestion. So, how will you come to a conclusion is when you are anxious? No, some people, even though they overeat, they eat very fast. So, when you eat food normally fast, what will happen? There will be no proper digestion. That leads to indigestion.
So,
Did you get
yeah,
the logic?
you told me last class that it's not diarrhea. Like it will always be indigestion.
Yeah. So when you eat, that's why when we eat, also our parents and all say that don't eat fast. மெல்ல சாப்பிடு எதுக்கு எங்க
Ah,
ஓடுறன்னு that is
ah.
because it will not get properly digested.
Yeah, they'll tell it won't stick in your body.
Ah.
They'll tell it won't stick in your body.
Okay. Next one.
For its activity, carboxypeptidase,
Mm.
niacin.
Okay, this I have not taught you. Okay, so the answer to this is A.
Oh, zinc. But we learned
Yeah.
something. We learned about niacin, right?
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay. I thought we learned about niacin, and that's the only thing I learned.
No. See, when we study the chapter called as biomolecules, okay, so
Huh.
there you will learn about, I think you remember competitive inhibitors, cofactors, apoenzyme, holoenzyme. You remember any of these terms?
No, I don't remember 11th as a whole.
Okay, so basically, if you take an enzyme, okay, an enzyme is going to have another part to it, okay, one body part and an extra part. This part can be a metal ion or it can be an organic substance.
Substance.
Yeah, so in some cases it is metal ion. In this case, it is zinc. So it's just like a what to say, like it's like a charger madri, okay va.
Oh,
So think enzyme as your phone, okay, and the slot that is there in the phone is your place where you're going to fit in the ions or whatever it is, and your charger is the ion. So enzyme gets activated when that comes and binds.
Charger is, yeah.
Yes, that's the whole concept here.
Okay.
Okay, so when we take up biomolecules, I'll teach you in the detail. That time it will be a little more clear. That's why one chapter is connected to another. Anyway, so the answer here is
Zinc.
okay. So any doubts till now?
No. Next one is vermiform appendix and rectum.
Okay, good, very good. Next.
Wait, why does it say mains instead of neat?
Generally, like the old AIMS paper and all, they write it as mains.
Oh.
It's not only purely neat questions also.
Oh, okay. It's from
It has
the AIMS.
AIPMT
JIPMER.
and AIMS. So, yeah.
JIPMER is so hard to get in, much harder than AIMS.
Yeah.
Only 250 seats. In AIMS, at least 1,200 seats are there.
Anyway, now they have merged everything together, no?
Yeah, like no, but like easy, like it's easy to get into AIMS than JIPMER even now because very less seats and very high
That's there.
cutoff
Yeah.
marks. But
That
is
is
JIPMER better than AIMS or is it like the same?
No, JIPMER has its own standard.
No,
It's equivalent to AIMS basically. Just that it's in South, people don't look up to it, but yeah.
Yeah, I want to try to get into JIPMER, but it's so hard.
That's nice. That's a good aim. It's a different life altogether.
Yeah, Pondicherry that too. It's good only. Like
Best
beach.
of luck with that. Okay, cool. Next one. Two friends are
Two
eating
friends are
together.
eating together. One
What
of
are they
them starts coughing. Improper movement of. It's not tongue. It's not neck.
Mm.
It's not diaphragm.
Mm.
It's epiglottis.
Yes, very good. Now you're giving me a suspense or what?
No, like I read it from the last option. If I read it the first option, epiglottis, I would have told.
Okay. Okay. Mm. So everyone have their own.
Purplish red pigment of
Ah, rhodopsin.
rhodopsin contained in the rods type of photoreceptor cells of
Sounds like
human.
Greek and Latin, no?
Yeah,
I know, I know, I know.
it's
Because
not.
actually you studied, you know which chapter?
Uh,
There's one, you will study structure of eye and all,
I
no?
in that chapter.
Yes. So there actually, regarding rods and cones, you would have studied.
You would, yeah, rods light sensitive, cones color sensitive or something.
Yes. You can see because of your, because of the cones.
Cones.
Okay. So basically, they have an enzyme called as rhodopsin. This
Oh,
rhodopsin is having it. I mean, it is synthesized because of one vitamin, which is vitamin A, also known as retinol. So,
oh,
in sometimes what they can do is they can give you vitamin as retinol also. So please note it down. It's vitamin A and retinol.
okay. Purplish red pigment.
Yeah. So what is the other option? I mean, what is the other name for vitamin A?
Retinol.
Yes.
Can you just spell it?
R E
One
T
second.
I
RETINOL.
N O L.
Retinol.
There were also questions saying retinal or retinol. So be careful. It's
Vitamin
retinol.
A. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
Now, what does vitamin B1 deficiency cause? I told you last class.
Pernicious anemia. No, that's
That is
B12.
vitamin B12.
B12. B1 is just another anemia only.
Another anemia only. No, it's berry.
Oh yeah, peri peri. I've written that.
Ah.
Berry berry.
Vitamin D,
Vitamin D. That's not. I don't know.
rickets.
Oh wait, I have this. Vitamin B1, berry berry. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin E, sterility.
Mm.
Vitamin K, faulty blood clotting.
Mm.
Vitamin B12, pernicious anemia.
See, I remember what I taught, okay?
I only
And
keep
vitamin
forgetting.
C causes scurvy.
Vitamin.
C.
Okay, one
Deficiency of vitamin
second.
C causes scurvy.
Vitamin C, curvy, Curvy.
Scurvy.
Oh, scurvy.
Scurvy, yes.
Only biology has such complicated spellings.
Yeah, so these are the commonly repeated ones, as I said. So keep
Yeah.
them in mind, okay? Don't forget that.
Yeah, next one is C.
One of the constituents in the pancreatic juice, which is poured into
Oh
the
no, no,
duodenum.
sorry. Not we're in 21st. 21st is entero. No,
Aye.
it's not trypsinogen.
One of the constituents of pancreatic juice, which is poured into the duodenum in humans.
It's not enterokinase. It's not trypsinogen. No, it's
Who,
not.
sir, 1 second. Please go back to your question number. Where is that question? 2.
2. Yeah, I got this correct. Lipase,
Yes. What
amylase,
was the answer?
trypsinogen is the answer.
Uh, because that only is a part of this one. Chymotrypsin is released by your intestine.
So many questions are interrelated.
Yes. Enterokinase by the intestine.
There I
Act-
told the answer because I saw
No.
procarboxypeptidase. So I'm like, yes, I know this answer.
Actually, chymotrypsin is also released by pancreas only. If
Into
I'm not
the
wrong. Yes,
yeah.
trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, all these are by intestine only. But why are we not choosing that option here? Tell
No,
me.
pancreatic juice poured into the duodenum.
Yes, I'm telling you that chymotrypsin also is a pancreatic juice. Trypsinogen is also a pancreatic juice. Enterokinase alone is secreted by intestine. Then why is that option B not correct?
I don't know.
Because pancreatic juice, everything is secreted in inactive form.
Oh yeah, chymotrypsin is active form.
Yes,
And even trypsin is active form.
exactly. I was expecting you to catch that.
Oh.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Don't make that small mistakes. Okay. So remember always, whatever is there in pancreatic juice, is always inactive. Everything is
Inactive.
inactive. So there will be a gen at the end other than your carboxypeptidase and your nucleases and
Nucleases.
maltases. Yeah. Okay.
Which of the following correctly represents the normal adult human dental formula? 2123, 2123.
Very good.
Option
Yes.
C.
What is the
Uh,
order? What does that order stands for? Like
oh,
2 means
yeah,
what?
IC,
Uh,
PM.
very good. Good. I'm happy you remember. Next one.
Yeah.
Carrier ions like sodium.
Fructose and some amino acids.
Okay. Yes. Correct. Good. Next.
If for some reason our goblet cells are
Why did
non-functional,
you say fructose and amino acid?
because fructose undergoes facilitated absorption with Na plus.
Okay.
So nothing else is there with fructose as the option. So fructose and some amino acids.
Okay.
It's correct, right?
No.
But fructose only with the help of Na plus. We didn't even match the following. We matched
No, no, no,
fructose
no.
Na plus.
Yes, actually, see, the thing is, that match the following, it is correct, but here fructose and what else is given?
Some amino acids, not amino acids.
Yeah, like in that match the following, did they talk about amino acids?
No, but
No,
isn't fructose only gonna use Na plus?
no, it's glucose and amino acid.
Oh.
Which this one mode of transport does glucose undergo?
Glucose is active.
Active, yes. Always remember that, sodium potassium pump is there. No,
Yeah. Na
yes,
plus will
that
come in, and then the other side potassium will this thing.
correct. So glucose and amino acids is the correct answer here, not fructose and some amino acids.
Oh, I'll print this thing and I'll tick the answer in the book itself.
Yeah.
Like I'll like tomorrow or day after I'll give it for printing, so I can tick the answer in the book itself.
Sure, not an issue. Or you can have it like this itself, and so that one next time when you revise it, you can pick it and see whether you're getting the correct answers or not.
Yeah. And where do I get those OMR sheets so I can practice circling?
Online, you will get OMR sheets. You can just take a printout of it.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that is also there. Correct.
Yeah, that's the easier method now
Yeah.
than buying proper OMR sheets. Yes. Next one. If for some reason our goblet cells are non-functional, this will adversely affect.
Production. No, it's not maturation of sperms. It's not secretion of sebum from sebaceous glands.
Uh,
Goblet cells secrete mucus. So we
Correct.
smooth movement of food down the intestine.
Very good. Excellent. I'm very happy you got that correct. Next one. Jaundice is a disorder of. Oh, this is a very
Wait.
simple.
Oh no, you missed 25th. If for some reason parietal cells of the gut epithelium
Oh,
become
okay. What is the answer?
parietal cells of the gut epithelium. Parietal means HCl.
Ah,
pH of stomach will fall abruptly. No, it won't fall. Sorry, HCl is not functional, means pH will increase. Pancreatic enzymes, trypsin and lipase will not work efficiently. Proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into
very good.
proteoses and peptones.
Good, correct. Okay, now you should. I expected you to ask this question. Do you know what hydrolysis here actually means?
Hydrolysis is breaking down.
Breaking down. Okay, you know that. I'm great. So all
Yeah.
I mean,
When I
all
wrote
the
notes in your
enzymes-
PPT, you wrote breaking down / hydrolysis.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, I'm happy. That means you went through well. Okay, the thing is that wherever you see any of the enzymes which are involved in breaking down, no, it is always hydrolysis.
Yeah.
So almost all the
Everything in notes. Yeah, I just wrote hydrolysis instead of breaking down. Because
yeah,
breaking down you can understand. Hydrolysis, if I forget, means.
correct. Yeah, so this is a term that you will also see in many of the books. Okay.
Next one is skin and eyes.
Eh,
No. Jaundice is a disorder. Jaundice is a disorder of the digestive system.
correct. It is a disorder of digestive
We
system,
are
but
in
the effects
digestion
are seen in
chapter.
the skin and eye.
The skin and eyes. Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
When breastfeeding is replaced by less nutritive, this thing with low proteins and calories. So marasmus.
Mm.
Wait, marasmus, correct.
Marasmus, huh?
Kwashiorkor is high in calories but less in proteins. Marasmus is both less in this thing. No, yeah, correct. Marasmus is both less in
Correct only. Yes,
proteins
yeah.
and less in calories.
Yeah, good. Next one.
Young infant may be feeding entirely on mother's milk, which is white in color, but the stools which the infant, the yellow color pigments are undigested milk protein casein
Mm.
or bile. No, it's
I
not
told you
pancreatic.
last time, poop color. Why is the
Oh,
poop color?
bile pigments,
Correct. Bile pigments pass through the bile
bile
juice. They are
juice. Oh,
I
okay.
told you, no, bilirubin
Yeah,
will be converted to
bilirubin and
stercobilin.
biliverdin. Yeah,
No. The from
biliverdin is produced.
yes, and then that will be further broken down to
Stericoptin. Yeah.
stercobilin. Yes. Okay, so answer is A. Next one.
Which of the following statements is true regarding digestion and absorption of food in humans?
Hmm.
Chylomicrons are small lipoprotein particles transferred from intestine into blood capillaries. 60% starch is hydrolyzed. Yeah. Oh, that's wrong. Oxytic cells in our stomach, proenzyme pepsinogen, they secrete HCl.
Hmm.
Chylomicrons are small fructose and amino acids are absorbed through small intestine with the help of carriers like Na plus. Correct. First one is correct.
அதுதானே கேட்டிருக்காங்க. That is what they're asking, no?
Yeah, first one is correct.
Okay, very good. Now tell me the correct statements for the rest.
About 30% starch is there. Oxytic cells do not secrete. Oxytic cells secrete HCl. Chylomicrons are small lipoproteins. I know that. They're in the intestine also, correct. But I don't think they're transported into the blood capillaries.
Very good. Where are they transported to?
Juice, intestinal juice.
Hey, no.
Oh.
I told you special chylomicrons alone will get into the lacteel.
Lactale, yeah. Lactale of the small intestine. Villi.
Yes. Yeah. So that is the answer. Okay. Okay. Next one.
Which of the following pairs of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? Starch 50-50, 30-30. So option A and C are wrong. Even D is wrong. It's fat and cellulose.
Correct. Fat and cellulose. Okay, good. Next.
Such easy questions if they ask in my NEET exam.
They will. The problem is that they do.
Oh.
But because of the hype and because of the tension, everything when you attend the paper will look very difficult.
Like now it's chill. I'm reading slowly and I'm answering slowly.
Correct. But there it will not be like that. That's a
But
problem.
by mistake, if I write the third answer for the second one, like that, if I write the whole paper, gone, right?
Yeah.
I keep thinking that's gonna happen because, like, imagine like you do 2 circles in one question by mistake. I've done that in these Olympiads and all by mistake, and then I've erased it and one by one I've switched. But if that happens in NEET, the whole paper will be wrong.
That is exactly why I'm saying mark it in your question paper and then mark. And it will not come within this one. You need to practice it with your OMR.
Yeah. From next time, I'll get OMR sheet.
Sure. Do that. Okay, next one.
Small intestine. Which of the following is the correct matching of the site of action given on the given substrate, the enzyme acting upon it, and the end product? Starch, fat, lipase, micelles, duodenum, triglyceride, trypsin, small intestine, starch, alpha amylase, disaccharide, maltose. Wait. No, it's alpha dextrins. Last one is wrong.
Very good.
It's alpha dextrins.
Nice. Correct only. Alpha dextrins. Yes. So last one, actually they're asking you the correct one. Okay. So the first, alpha.
Oh, they're asking correct. Oh, never
Correct
mind.
one. See,
That means last one is wrong.
Last one is correct.
No, last one is alpha dextrins, right?
Yeah, it's alpha dextrin. If it is, we are breaking down maltase or maltose. Okay.
Starch is into maltose, and then
Starch is the one which is starting here. So it is amylase, and that amylase is called as alpha amylase.
Alpha amylase. Okay.
Amylase in the mouth is called as salivary amylase.
Salivary amylase in pancreas is alpha amylase.
Yes.
Sorry, amylase. in small intestine.
Pancreatic juice, when it is there, it is amylase. But
Yeah,
when
yeah.
it comes to the intestine, it
Intestine, it is
becomes
alpha
active.
amylase.
Yes. So that's the correct answer.
Then what will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of gastric glands is blocked with a inhibitor? Uh,
Inhibitor means it will make the function, stop the function. That means there'll be no enzyme will be secreted. So,
that means
uh,
uh, option A, in the absence of HCl inactive pepsino. No, wait, no.
correct only.
Oh yeah, last one.
HCl
No, I was checking
parietal
the
is
last
secreting.
one. Gastric
Yeah,
juice pepsinogen. Oh yeah, it's first one.
yeah.
Inactive pepsinogen is not converted into No, because last one had pepsinogen, so I was just reading it again.
Okay. Don't get paranoid, okay?
Yeah.
Oh God, I went to some other page. Give me a second. I'll come back. Okay. Read the next question.
Which of the following is a fat soluble vitamin and its related deficiency disease?
I told you this also.
Cobalamin, beriberi, calciferol, pellagra, ascorbic acid, scurvy. Beriberi is not caused by cobalamin.
Once again, I can't see which question are we in. Which of the following is a fat soluble vitamin and it is
Beriberi is
related?
not cobalamin. It's vitamin B. Cobalamin is B12 and beriberi is caused by B1.
Okay.
Retinol
So
is not xerothalamia. Retinol.
xerothalmia means
Oh wait, xerothalmia is some other disease. It's not
night blindness
night blindness. Yeah,
caused by vitamin.
night blindness is caused by vitamin A.
Then,
Vitamin A is also called. Oh,
mm,
vitamin A is also called retinol. So option A is correct.
yes, correct. Okay. This is
It's a fat
33.
soluble vitamin, right? Retinol.
Yes, ADEK. All are fat soluble. B and C
Okay.
is the only one which is this one. Okay. Pellagra is caused by vitamin B3.
Pellagra is caused
Mm.
by V3.
And
One
it is
second.
called as
Vitamin
niacin.
B3 deficiency.
Yes, deficiency of vitamin
Vitamin
B.
B3 and it causes vitamin C causes scurvy, right?
Vitamin C causes scurvy, and the name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid.
One second. Oh, so that is also correct then.
Yeah, but that's not correct.
Vitamin B3 is pellagra. Vitamin
Why
C is
vitamin
also
C? That option is not correct.
because it's not fat soluble.
Yes, correct. Very good. Yeah.
Ascorbic acid.
And see, vitamin D normally we always relate it to calcium. No,
Vitamin?
D.
Yeah.
They say no, like bone strong or vitamin D is essential.
Yeah, but it's
So
not
it's
calcium.
always related. So the alternate name for vitamin D is calciferol.
Okay, vitamin D.
D, yes.
So calciferol deficiency causes rickets.
Yes. And vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. THIAMINE. Thiamine.
THIAMINE.
IAMINE. Yes.
Yeah. Vitamin B1 is also called, I forgot.
Vitamin
Retinol. No.
B1 only I am telling you. Thiamine.
Okay. Vitamin A is retinol.
Yes, retinol.
One second. Vitamin B1 is thiamine. THIAMINE. So vitamin B1 is thiamine, vitamin D is calciferol, vitamin A is retinol, B12 is this thing. What it's called? I forgot. Wait, it's called cobalamin.
Cobalamin, yes.
And vitamin C is also called ascorbic acid.
Yes.
Vitamin B3 is B3 itself.
B3 is called as niacin.
NIASIN.
NIACIN.
We saw this no in some question.
Yes, you asked me, ma'am. We
Okay.
discussed this last class also.
ENK or ENK only?
Which one?
ENK, vitamin ENK.
Vitamin E and K is for now, let it be vitamin E and K itself. Generally, they don't ask. So, don't need to learn.
Examination of blood of a person suspected of having anemia shows.
Anyway, I'll tell you vitamin K's name. Note it down.
Yeah.
Vitamin K is once again. Vitamin, because if you learn all the names, no, Definitely you will end up confusing yourself. It's called a phytonadione.
Oh, is it? I'll not take it. It's too much. I confuse off.
Yes. Anyway, note it down.
Phyto?
So, phytonadione. It's PHYTONADIONE.
Yeah, that I wrote. Nadione. Okay.
And vitamin E. Generally, these two not like very commonly asked. So,
Okay, vitamin E.
vitamin E is RRR alpha tocopherol.
RRR alpha.
Tocopherol. Just remember tocopherol.
Okay, tocopherol. TOCOPHEROL.
Yeah, ROL. Yes, that's enough. Tocopherol is enough. So, tocopherol will cause sterility.
Sterility. Yeah,
Yes.
examination of a blood of a person suspected of having anemia
Uh,
shows large immature nucleated erythrocytes without hemoglobin.
uh,
Supplementing his diet in which of the following is likely to alleviate his symptoms? Anemia is caused by vitamin B12,
mm,
and another name for vitamin B12 is cobalamin.
mm.
So, if cobalamin option is only folic acid and cobalamin.
Correct. Exactly. Good. That's correct. Next one.
Secretin and choleocytokinin are digestive hormones. They are secreted in the
Cytokinin. Actually, it's cystokinin.
cystokinin. Cystokinin
Mm.
are secreted in the uh oh
Mm, mm, mm.
duodenum.
Correct. Duodenum. Yes.
Yeah,
That's the
I was
answer.
about to say ileum, and then I'm like, oh, never mind.
Hey. Okay.
Epithelial
Next.
cells of the intestine
Mm.
involved in food absorption have on their surface microvilli.
Very good. Yes. Next one.
A patient is generally advised to specially consume more meat, lentils, milk in diet only if he suffers from proteins, right? So
Mm.
proteins is kwashiorkor.
Very good. Good. 38th one.
Which group of three of the following five statements, 1 to 5, contain all three correct statements regarding beriberi?
Mm.
Um, crippling disease prevent deficiency caused by B1.
Mm.
B1 is correct. 2 is correct.
Mm.
Nutritional disorder in young infants and young children, deficiency in protein.
Mm.
No, 3 is wrong.
Two
Occurs in
is correct.
country.
Yeah. Okay.
So option D is not possible. C is not possible.
Option A is possible.
No, option D is not possible. C is not possible.
Okay. Yeah. Correct.
So I just have to check if fifth one is correct because 2 and 4 are common for both. Fifth one is the symptoms are pain from nutrisis, paralysis, muscle.
It's
I don't think you
neuritis.
get all this.
You do get all these.
Neuritis, oh, it's uritis. Okay, but it says neuritis.
Beriberi sounds very nice and cute, but it is actually not nice and cute. It is very pathetic. So it causes all these symptoms, and your correct answer is option A.
D, because fifth one.
Option
Oh
A.
yeah, sorry. Option A. Option A.
Yes.
Staple diet is polished rice,
Yes.
so it doesn't have B1 basically.
Yes. It does not have B1, vitamin B1.
Richest source. Oh, 1 second, my page is twisted. Richest source of vitamin B12.
Mm.
Vitamin B12.
Mm.
Chicken's breast contains proteins.
Mm.
Hen's egg contains.
Mm.
I think it's chocolate and green gram.
Out of the world, chocolate and green gram. No, it's
Goat's
goat's liver and
liver.
spirulina.
Okay, I was gonna say that, but I thought chocolate and all they won't randomly give, unless it has to be the correct answer.
No. It's goat's liver and spirulina. Don't worry, these questions won't come anyway. These are all I told you, AIPMT level, so they won't ask you. The last question today, 40th
Duodenum
question.
has characteristic Brunner's gland which secrete two hormones. Okay, it's not estradiol progesterone. It's not kinase estrogen. It's secretin and cholecystokinin.
Yes, the same question. Okay, in 3 different forms today itself you saw.
Meaning?
Yes or no? See, here 40th question was this. Then there was one more question in the
With
beginning.
secretin and cholecystokinin.
Yes. And then there was one more question in Nadu Lengyo. It was there. I don't remember where exactly. But yeah, one more I saw related to this. 3 questions actually you did which were related to this particular thing. So that
Yeah.
means at
Brunner's
the end of
gland
the day,
duodenum is a very common question.
yeah, it's a
And
common question.
secretions.
Yes. So at they all ask the same question again and again. Only thing is that they keep changing the ways of asking it. That's it.
Okay. And this thing, and for reference book, this book is only fine, right? This book and NCRT is fine, right?
Yeah, more than sufficient. And the notes I give you, no.
Yeah, that I have. That and the textbook and this for
Yes,
questions.
yeah, done. Don't ever mix up so many books together. You will
Yeah.
get confused.
No, someone told me some book biology at your fingertips or something.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. No, there'll be so many books out there,
Yeah.
but you keep referring many things together, you will get
You'll get
confused.
confused.
Yes, try learning from questions. Like today, you learned
Yeah.
quite a lot of things. So always practice question and learn.
And ma'am,
Okay.
PPT from this thing.
Yeah, I'll send it. I was stuck with work. I couldn't send it.
Oh,
I'll send
okay.
it to you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Our next class is on Tuesday.
Tuesday or Sunday.
Oh yeah, Sunday. Afternoon or morning only will do.
Morning at what time? You have
I
chemistry in the morning.
That's 10 o'clock. I wake up at 8.
I already told you 2 hours class, 8
Oh
to
yeah,
9,
no.
9 to 10. Yeah. And then you will have chemistry together. So 4 hours of class.
Okay, afternoon 2 to 4 that time, like last
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
Will
yeah.
do.
I'm fine with it.
2 to 4 or 1 to 3. You can tell anything because I'll be fine with both. Chemistry gets over at 11:30.
Okay.
So from 12 I'll be free.
Okay, fine. That's fine with me. I can take that time.
Which
Not an
12 to
issue.
2 or 1 to 3?
12 to 2 means you can finish out no early.
So I can eat lunch after that.
Okay. So 12 to 2 we'll have on
Yeah.
Sunday.
Okay.
So next class we'll start with so the remaining questions please go through.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and any doubts means ask me.
Yes.
So 12 to 2 on Sunday, and yeah, that means we can complete a chunk from respiration. Respiratory, not respiratory system, respiration in plants. Okay, so that will be our next class. Okay.
That's
So
right. We'll do 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 5 minutes break and again.
that's okay, fine, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then see you.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.